Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Friday, which means this is only the second time I'm doing this, but usually on Fridays is when we unstuff a challenge and we are going to restuff it into other envelopes. This is my second time. It's my second time doing like the shut the box, and we did complete it. If you watched my video on Tuesday, the money challenge that we do every single week, I will link that at the end of the video in case you missed it and you want to see how we came up with all of these numbers. So this is super exciting, and I have the shut the box envelope right here, and we're going to count how much we actually have and see what we are going to be stuffing. Now we are going to be playing a game where I roll the dice. I have these bejeweled dice from Star Budgets, and we're going to roll. I think we're going to do like we did last time. So the first four, there's 9 boxes right here. So the first 4 is going to go towards my sinking funds, and then the last 5 is going to be going towards like any other challenges or something that we can complete. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, and we're going to see how much we have. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, and 88. So we have $88 that we are going to be stuffing. I believe it's only a couple of more dollars than last month, or the last shut the box, the first one that we did, which is totally fine. It'd be great if every month we can increase our odds, but let's go ahead and get started. So on the side right here, you have the totals. So the first 4, we're going to be stuffing $17, $5, $4, and $14. Now we're going to go ahead and plug in. I think we're going to do, let's do the Dollar Madness, which technically we're not going to do the Dollar Madness. We're just going to use this layout because we have beauty, home renovations, renewals, car, medical, special occasion, debt, eBay/YouTube, giveaways, Dobby, and savings. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to lay all of this money out, and we're going to get started. I have the exact amount for everything, which is really good. So the first dollar bill that we are going to be stuffing, which I will do it like this. So the first one is going to be $17, and we are going to roll and see. Now, if I roll doubles, I believe I'm going to take a certain amount, because this Dollar Madness, it says treat yourself, you deserve it. I'm going to take a certain amount and stuff it into my treat myself. So I only have $4 in the treat myself from the last time I think we did the Dollar Madness. So I am going to treat myself because I completed the challenge if I get doubles. So we will see how much we are going to be stuffing in that. So we're going to go ahead and roll. So it is doubles, and we are going to be putting number 6. So that is going to be medical. And we're going to be stuffing $17. So I think what I'm going to do for medical is I'm actually going to put, if it's $17, I'm going to put $15. I'm going to put $15 in here. I'm going to put it right here. $15, and then the $7 I am actually going to put it in my treat myself. So 1, 15, 16, 17. I'm going to set this aside, and I will stuff this last. So $15 will go into medical, and now we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, and 15. So we have $115 for medical. Moving on to the next row, and the next row is $5 is what we are going to be stuffing. And we're going to be, it is another double. So it is going to be number 10, which is going to be giveaways. And the giveaway is actually in my new binder. And we're going to go all the way to giveaways, and this is for you guys. So let's see, I have $3. I'm going to add 5, and I will take $1 away. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So we 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 11, 12. $12. So we actually put in $4 because I took $1 away. So we're going to do $4 right there. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put it right here or here, but it doesn't matter. We're going to go ahead and roll again, which the next one is going to be $4. And let's see what we are going to get. Okay, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, and that is eBay and YouTube. So with it being $4, we are going to just divide it. So we're each going to get $2, which is great. Let's see if I can move this. And we're going to do YouTube first. And let's do it right here. $2. I'll just keep this uncapped. So we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So $26 for YouTube. eBay, we are also putting $2. And let's see. We have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So 25 for eBay. All right, so let's see. So next one, which is going to be our last one for the sinking funds, and it's going to be 14. So let's go ahead and we are going to roll $14. And let's see. 4, 5, 6, which is going to be medical again. Now I'm actually going to probably just put half. So let's do 7. So we're going to do 5, 6, and 7. And then we're going to roll again and stuff another envelope because it's my game and I feel like stuffing more envelopes. So with medical, we are going to be putting $7. And we are going to be stuffing. And we're going to do a count. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 15, 20, 21, and 22. So medical will be getting $22 again. And let's go ahead and roll one more time for 7, half of the 14. Oh, doubles. So it will be savings. So $7. Let's do 5. Let's give myself $1. So we are going to be putting $6. Now the savings is actually going to be going towards the rainy day fund. So let's see. I took out some of the rainy day funds. And we are going to be doing, how much is it? $6. So we will add to that in a minute. So that's going to be at the very end as well. All right, so let's go ahead and move towards this one. So this is kind of like my high dollar ones. And plus it also has different challenges and everything. So the first one's going to be a big one. It's the biggest one. It's going to be $19. It's how much we are going to be stuffing. So let's see what we are going to be doing. And I might do this in halves as well. Who knows? Okay, so we have 12 and it is also a double. So that means that we're going to roll a dice and we're going to see if we're going to do savings or debt. So $500 scratch off, which I don't want to be confident, but I'm kind of confident. I actually don't want to owe anything. So let's see. It's $19. So if I hit a 20, that means that, I don't know. That just means I'll just owe something. So, oh gosh, you guys, I'm kind of nervous. So we have to do it. Let's do it. Let's go right here. $20. Okay, I can do that, and I can get $1. I'll just do $1 from my treat myself. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So $20. That is perfect, guys. I'm not going to do that again. So let's do this. And take this money out, and let's see. Don't know if I want to count this. I mean, I guess we can. Let's see. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So $330. So that's pretty good. Getting on up to $500. Let's not do that again though. So we'll roll. So let's see. I rolled doubles, but we're not going to stuff anything on that. So let's go and see what our next shut the box is. And it's going to be $5. $5. Let's see. So it is 4, 5, and 6. $6. 4, 5, 6. 6 is vacation. So we are going to be putting $5 in vacation, which I'm not sure. I can just restuff it for next game. Vacation. Let's see. I gotta figure out where oh, there it is. Vacation. So that is $5. All right. So next one is going to be $7, which I need to make change for this. Let's see. I have to make change for it. Crap. I messed up already. Let's see. I'm looking at some envelopes that I can... Oh, I know what I can do. The 500 challenge. I can break that. 5, 10... I think I just need a 10, actually. Perfect. All right. So the next one is $7, $7, and then the $10 is last. So let's go ahead and roll. $6 again. So we're just going to roll that again because I don't want to stuff vacation again. All right. So that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is a mystery scratch off. Not going to do that. Not going to do it. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is new puppy. We can do that. So 5, 6, 7. And we are going to be doing this one. Haven't found an envelope yet for this, but I need to work on getting an envelope. Each little dog is $50 we were saving to get another corgi to join our family. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. We're not in a rush to get a new corgi. But when the time is right, which hopefully is going to be at the end of this year, then we can bring one in. All right, next one. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 again, which is mystery scratch-offs. And you did not see that, so I'm going to roll again. I know it was a double, but I'm going to roll again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, which is treat yourself. So I'm going to give myself, so it's $7, so I'm going to give myself $2 And then we're going to roll again to see where we're going to put the $5. 3, 4, 5, which is Pet Savings Fund. I can do that. I'll have to figure out Pet Savings Fund. Let's see, because I know they're $10 a piece. I'll add the $5 and fold it in half. So whenever I get another $5, then I can color in a bone. All right, so next we have the last one, which is going to be $10. So let's see. 5, 6, 7. So that's perfect. Half car maintenance and half medical. So we're going to hopefully have $5 that we can split. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to take $5 out of medical and put $10 in here. We'll just go ahead and update that again. And final count for medical. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 25, 26, and 27. All right. And then car maintenance is getting $5. And that is going to be getting 500, 20, 40, 50, 60, and 61. So $561. All right, so next, this is my treat myself. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which is great. Let's see. Don't know what I'm going to use this. Probably coffee or something. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I have $9 going into my treat myself wallet. Next is the rainy day fund, which is right here. I would hate to do the $6, but I know I need to. Let's go ahead and color, and we'll just put more in the last two, hopefully. If not, I'm going to redo this game again, and it's going to be fun. It's still going to be fun. I'm still going to be saving and everything. So we're going to go to Rainy Day Fun, and I do not count this, but when I'm done, I will get bigger bills so I can have all these dollar bills and $5 bills to break. All right, you guys, so that is it. So that is our unstuffing of our second time doing the shot to box. We completed it. We stuffed, we rolled our dice. We did everything we possibly could to get rid of that money and find it a new home. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you so much for all of your love and support. I hope y'all like these kind of videos whenever I finish a challenge and unstuff it. And I just like rolling dice and finding a home for some new money. But anyways, thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Saturday for a paycheck stuffing. Anyways, bye guys.